Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing well. My name is Annie and I am already 8 years old. I would like to welcome you all to my channel, Our History and More. Long ago, people cooked their food over open fires. But do you know where the word stove comes from? It's from the Old English word stofa, which means a heated room. Isn't that cool? For today's video, let's talk about the history of stove. Stove is spelled S-T-O-V-E and its plural word is stoves. You can do it by just adding letter S at the end. Now, let me tell you the story of how stoves came to be and how they changed our lives forever. Once upon a time, a clever inventor came up with the idea of building a special box with fire inside to cook food. This was the very first stove. People were amazed because it meant they could cook without having to worry about big, scary fires all the time. As time went on, stoves got even better. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin, who was not just a great inventor but also a founding father of the United States, improved the stove. He made a stove that was more efficient and used less wood. This made cooking easier and saved a lot of trees too. But the real game changer came in the 19th century when a man named James Sharp invented the gas stove. Instead of burning wood, this stove used gas to cook food. It was safer and cleaner than ever before. People loved it. Then came the electric stove, invented by Thomas Edison's assistant, George A. Hughes. With the flip of a switch, you could cook your food without any flames at all. Isn't that amazing? Stoves completely changed how people cooked their food. They made cooking faster, safer, and more convenient. Families could spend more time together because they didn't have to spend all day tending to the fire. Plus, stoves helped keep homes warm during cold winters. They were like magic boxes that made life easier and more comfortable. Even today, stoves are an essential part of every kitchen. Whether it's a gas stove, an electric stove, or even a fancy induction stove, they all help us cook delicious meals quickly and easily. Can you imagine what life would be like without stoves? We'd probably still be cooking over open fires like our ancestors did long ago. And you know what's really cool? Stoves are still evolving. Scientists and inventors are always coming up with new ways to make stoves even better. They're making them more energy efficient, safer, and even smarter. Who knows what kind of amazing stoves we'll have in the future? So, the next time you cook a yummy meal on your stove, take a moment to think about the incredible journey stoves have been on. From humble beginnings to high-tech marvels, stoves have truly changed the world for the better. And hey, don't forget about those plates you use to enjoy your meals. Just like stoves, plates have their own fascinating history. So please watch that too. And that's the end of this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button and share. If you want to know the history of everyday item, please comment down below and I'll be happy to do a video for you. Thank you for watching and may you have a historical day.